up, bro? You ready?
Yeah, always ready.
Alright, so today we are going to ride the C&O Canal. Probably start in Washington, D.C. and we'll see where the road takes us, see how long we're going to go for. But I'm going with my sister. Doesn't seem very happy to be here. And then going with my cousin, follow him. I'll link his YouTube channel, so follow him. But yeah, we're gonna... It'll be my first time going to C&O Canal, so I'm very excited to be going. Gonna see just basically what it looks like, and we're gonna see how far we can go. So see y'all there. All right, so we made it to Georgetown. That's where we're gonna start. We still have to look on where the start of the trail is, so that's what we're gonna do when we get our bikes all ready and set up. So very excited to hit up this trail. Like I said, we're gonna see how long we can go, where it'll take us, and hopefully it'll be fun. So let's go.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Alright, you guys are out and about in the city, alright, or just make sure that you might need a long day out and you need to make sure your battery's charged so you can capture all the moments. Make sure, hit up Votech Me, alright, charges with the wire, but also charges wirelessly. Also works with Androids, alright, so go ahead and press the button, put it on top. There you go. Yo,
Gotcha.
sponsor me. Let's go, sponsor me. Coming in different colors to a city near you. Sponsor me.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Oh man, we gotta go up. Well, we can use this, right? How does that work? The handlebar is too long. Oh, duh. Oh, it's so much easier. That's nice. Yeah, it is. No, still thought Virginia. I don't think we reached Virginia yet. Might still be in DC. Currently hit 1 mile. You're one mile, yeah. Pretty smooth road so far. Nothing too hard. Pretty flat right now. Oh shit. I heard my tire pop. There you go. It's cool. Yeah, he went camping. Oh, he has some camping gear on there. Seems like we reached our first destination. Oh, we reached Fletcher's Cove. Right here. Fletcher's Cove. Mile 4. We're at mile 4. Seems like we reached another destination. Let's see where we're at now. We're at mile marker 5. I think we're at Great Falls now, I think. Where that inlet locks. That's great falls. I wanted to check out this thing real quick. It looks like they got like a little kayaking course going on here, which is cool. Part of like Great Falls, but I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a course for kayakers. It's pretty neat. So we're stopping for like a mini break. I think we gone about 6 miles, I think. But we were stopping because behind me I saw like a little kayak course, which is like pretty cool. I guess a lot of people come here, kayak, and just hit the course here. So just taking like a little mini break, and then we're gonna get back on the road. Seems like we reached lock 7. Oh, lock 7. I don't know what the locks mean, but
Oh, the lock right here.
they don't put like lock 7, lock 6 and stuff.
So each time cái boat nó lại đây nó phải stop at the lock to check
Who?
cái tàu á.
Oh, the boats. Oh, yeah. Nah, it's lock 7. Oh, like back in the day when the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
So cái người kiểm nó nằm ở trong nhà này.
Oh. Dang, you smart, bro.
I just read Wikipedia. Yeah.
Oh, Wikipedia?
Yeah. I
Nice.
read it all the time.
Oh, so back in the day when they just stop, check.
Yeah. So all the time boat nó cắm đây nó phải check.
Yeah.
So maybe you delivery cái đồ mà cắm á.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's cool. No, you guys can't really see it, but very scenic right here. Potomac River. There's like no trees, so pretty nice view over here. With the sun shining on the water and stuff. It's pretty cool. Nice little scenic route over here. If there's a like a entrance to the parking lot, we can stop there. The parking lot's to the left, I think. You did that, right?
Yeah.
I'm a butter too. No, I didn't bring it because I didn't think I needed it. I turn left right here. Oh man, my ass is hurting.
Card look like credit card. And then each time you phải bỏ tiền như đó.
Oh yeah.
In the card and then you bỏ đây.
Yeah, I miss payphones. It's good.
Yeah.
In case there's like a Armageddon or something like that, you can use it. And their cell phones out. It's a good way to contact people. But no more. They don't have these anymore, which is sad.
Oh, I don't think the bathroom will work.
No, call me. They work. This is where we are.
So where we start?
We start all the way at the end, right here.
Dang!
Yeah, we're right here. We still got all the way up here. Cumberland. Yeah, that's the end of the C&O Canal right here.
Yeah, I know that, but why? Look at that.
We're right here.
Look at it. Look.
Yeah.
So, look like clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we here, right?
Yeah.
Right here.
Right here, Carderock.
So we here.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah. Yeah, we could go here. Can I like we go to the outlet, Germantown outlet. We're here. So next time we can go from here to here, and then we park here and then go here to here.
So now you stop here. You make a point.
Yeah, we can stop here.
Yeah.
But we can park here.
Yeah.
Then we go back.
So next time, yeah.
Next time we go here. But there's no parking here. I think it's parking right here.
Yeah.
Yo, next time we can go from here, the Seneca Creek State Park, which is it's in Germantown, I think.
Where Schaefer?
Yeah, close to Schaefer.
Okay.
That's cool. So we stopped at the Carderock recreational area. This is where we're gonna stop for today. This is gonna be our little marker. So next time when we come here, we can start from here, Carderock, and then seems like we can go towards Seneca State Park, and then maybe that could be another marker, and then go from there to Cumberland. So who knows? But pretty cool trail so far. It's just like all like rocky gravel, but pretty interesting. I want to see if I can complete this whole trail, which would be a nice feat. So this is going to be one of my goals for hopefully for the rest of this year and maybe next year. So trying to get into more outdoor activities like biking, mountain biking, camping. I'm gonna start camping next year with Locke and my sister. So we're gonna be resting for a bit and then head back. Let's go. Yeah, we did 10. So
Yeah, my butt hurts.
yeah, my butt hurts too.
Me too.
Yeah, it's about to be hard.
We need to buy a cushion here.
All right, time to head back.
Can't think about.
Music bed.
Made it.
Yeah,
Finally.
finally. We got here.
Yeah, a lot of people do. Yeah, a lot of people do.
I can do it.
Music bed.
All right, so we got done. We went 20 miles total. Then we drove the Five Guys and got some food. So I think that's well deserved. Also got a milkshake. So I'm ready to dive into these burgers, fries, and milkshake. So just want to say thank you for watching. Please support the channel, like and subscribe, all that jazz. Thank you very much. See you on the next adventure.
Heaven in the bed.
Heaven in the bed.